So guys, let's do a quick one today. Today the website I am bringing you is SuperPayMe. Okay. Um, this is my favorite website as of now. I do not know. Maybe I'll bump into a better one than this, but it's my favorite as of now. And I'll leave a link in the description box, and you will use that to register. On the site, you get to answer some questions. You submit your details. You see the amazing thing about this website. You see the amazing thing about this website. After you have even submitted your details, they just give you a welcome survey. Okay, that matches the details you put in here. And guys, be very careful when putting in your details on this particular website, because if you put in A today and tomorrow you put in B, no, I think you can even get your account blocked. Okay, so you get to answer survey questions based on your profile, ranging from $0.20 to $2, depending on the requirement. Okay, there's a 4-minute length survey given me, which I'll answer later, and I get to earn $0.16. And there is a live comment section here. Someone saying they have earned $2.04 in cash and a lot more. Someone said $6.36 in cash. So there are tons and tons of offers on this website. And if you refer a friend to, you get rewards, you get cash rewards. Okay, so do register with a link that I'll leave in the description box. Okay, and then enjoy the website. So after, or if you're enjoying, in the process of enjoying, recommend this website to your friends and use your referral links. Okay, give the referral links to your friends to use it to register, and you get to earn money on that. But I'll first warn you to try it first before you recommend this website to friends. So we have got to the most important part. How do I withdraw my money after the work? Okay, guys, you get to withdraw your money using Amazon gift cards, even Bitcoin, or the Skrill app. Okay, so the Bitcoin, if you do not have a Bitcoin address, I mean, try and get a Bitcoin address. I think Bitcoin is here to stay. I'm not advertising for Bitcoin, okay, but then I think it's here to stay. So you can receive your money through your Bitcoin wallet, and you can send money to anyone in any part of the world using your Bitcoin wallet. So Skrill or Amazon gift cards, you can use them to withdraw your money. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please consider subscribing, because I'm about to blow your screen. No, not I'm about. I'm yet to blow your screen with a lot of online jobs websites that Ghanaians can work on. And if you have enjoyed this video, also consider giving this video a big thumbs up, because it's free and it also serves as a motivation to me. It keeps me going, okay? It keeps me wanting to bring you more. So give this video a big thumbs up. And if you have any questions, do not feel shy to type it in the comment section, and I'll make sure to answer them all. So go experience superpayme.com using the link I'll leave in the description box, and then come back and give me your experience in the comment section, and I'll be waiting for you guys. So until my next video, it's bye for now.